Were it not for TG4, I don't think Irish culture would be where it is today. I think we're under constant barrage and pressure, especially now 100 years on. We're Irish, we're Gaeilge, we've got a native culture and language, and we're proud of it. And you know what, it's alive and kicking.
The Gradam Ceoils are like the Oscars. I never thought I'd even be considered, you know, not to mind actually to get it. So it's a massive honour, and it was lovely to again be able to share that with the likes of my family now and my teachers when I was going out, my singing teachers, and the people that helped me as a singer and that influenced me. Make it more about where I come from and the style I sing in rather than just for me. I wanted to kind of share it amongst everybody.
In 2002 I was given the Gradam Ceoil Ceoltóir na Bliana, and there's great recognition for well, myself first of all, but my family and people who taught me music as well. It was wonderful to be part of a celebration like that. TG4 have put Irish music and Irish culture very much in the centre of their focus.
Gradam Ceoil TG4, Domhnaigh TG4.